Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something super fun and I think you guys will love it. So I want to jump right in. But before I do, I just want to say hi to everyone new and all my oldies but goodies. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you like nobody's business. I do want to remind you to please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell that's right next to the subscribe button so that way next time I put out another video, you get notified. So today's video is going to be a Chanel reveal. And there's kind of an interesting little, not super interesting, but just the way I came about this piece. I can't wait to share it with you guys, so stay tuned and let's get started. Okay guys, so the Chanel piece I picked up, I am so excited to show you guys. When I saw it online, I had to hurry up and snap it up. So as you can tell, I bought this pre-loved. On Instagram, I follow a page called Marina Fashion Lover. I know a lot of luxury YouTubers and luxury lovers follow her and shop from her. She sells all types of beautiful new and pre-loved luxury pieces. So lots of Chanel, some Louis Vuitton, things like that. So I love, love, love her page and all of her stuff that she has. So I will link her information, her her Instagram name in the description box. So go check her out if you have Instagram. And if you do, check me out as well if you haven't already. At Home with Kylie is my Instagram name as well. So I'm going to share this piece with you. She posted it and I saw it and immediately I was like, I have to have that. I've been looking for another one of these. It is something that I already have, but I wanted another one so that I could switch it back and forth so it doesn't get worn out so fast. And when I saw this one, I absolutely fell in love. So let's go ahead and get started. The piece I bought was pre-loved and it was from one of her clients that was super sweet. She wrote me a nice little note on here just saying thank you for your purchase. It came with the dust bag and the authenticity card only, but that was completely fine because I know this is a piece I'm not going to get rid of and I'm going to be using, and I got an excellent, excellent deal on it, so I'm very excited. So let's open it up to reveal. Ooh, it's so pretty. So this is the O card holder, I believe it's called. I can't remember with Chanel, like they need to name their things a little better, but I love their pieces. So this is in caviar leather and the chevron print instead of the quilted print with the silver hardware, which I think is just gorgeous. So there's a close-up of it. And it's actually like the shiny caviar, the shiny black. Do you see that shine? Isn't that gorgeous? So it does have a couple little scratches on the CCs, but that doesn't bother me because I've already scratched mine. And as much as I take care of it, it still looks good. I take care of my pieces, but I don't baby them. So things happen. I'm not that worried about it. So this piece, if you haven't seen my other videos, has one slip pocket in the front, one in the middle, and two in the back. Let me take the authenticity card out. This is that's an odd way to hold my hand, but it's a 24 series and I just think it is so beautiful. When I saw it on there and the deal, I was actually even able to make a little bit more of a deal with her, so I grabbed it immediately. I am obsessed with the chevron print, and as you guys know, if you can tell, I've been buying a ton of SLGs. I'm obsessed with SLGs. Like, I love them. I think it's a great way to try different brands out. I think it's an awesome way to build your collection, and they're just fun to me. I just think it's so gorgeous and I cannot wait to start using this. So other than the couple little scratches on the, which I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see them. You can probably see a couple there. It's in excellent condition. It's not, the pockets aren't stretched out at all. There's really no indentations. It's just in excellent, excellent condition. And it's just a beautiful piece. I am so thrilled to have this in my collection now. So a lot of times I just grab my card case and go on with my day. Like, I don't carry anything else but this and maybe my clay, my Louis Vuitton clay with my car keys in it. Other than that, this is such an awesome little, you could throw it in your pocket. You can, throw it in the console of your car and just have it right there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I just wanted to share my new beautiful Chanel piece with you guys. I hope you liked this video. Again, if you're not subscribed, I'd love it if you join my family. My YouTube family here is getting big, and I am just so happy, and I try to interact with everyone because I love you guys so much, and I love that you love the same things as I do. So that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. This is Kylie. Bye.